Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering on the shoes and getting the app ready. This speeds pairing and prevents interruptions. Place the right shoe on a flat surface, press and hold the power button until the LED pulses. This puts the shoe in pairing mode. On your phone, open the Nike Adapt app, sign in, and tap Pair Device. Once the app detects the shoe, confirm the model. You're doing this to create a secure first link between hardware and app so signals match and settings sync. You'll see the shoe listed. Select it, because choosing the correct entry prevents wrong device pairing. The phone will show a Bluetooth prompt, accept it, and any permission requests. These allow the app to maintain a stable connection and fetch firmware. While connecting, keep the shoes and phone within 1 meter so the signal stays strong. If firmware updates appear, install them now. Firmware aligns motor control and app features, which is why updates often solve pairing issues and improve fit accuracy. You finish by running the fit calibration in app and testing the auto tighten. This ensures motors and sensors respond as expected. Make sure the firmware is current. Updates refine motor profiles and connectivity, so install if prompted. If pairing fails, restart the app and phone, then reset the shoes by holding the power and mode buttons until LEDs flash. This clears prior pairings. One key tip: if persistent issues occur, move to a different room to avoid Wi-Fi or Bluetooth interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.